Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am filming this on 26 Jan 2025. So wish you all a happy Republic Day. Today we have with us another unboxing video. This time I have an Android smartphone with me, the OnePlus Nord 4. As you can see, this is 12 GB RAM and 256 GB ROM variant. So as most of you would already know by now, I am primarily an iPhone user. I have purchased this phone for my father. He wanted a budget-friendly Android smartphone, which is relatively faster than the phone which he already has right now. So I thought of going out in the market and buying something good for him. So I chose this OnePlus Nord 4 over some of its competition phones like Realme 60 GT, Poco F6 and Poco X7 Pro, primarily because of the better brand name of OnePlus and a better camera of OnePlus Nord 4 apparently. I bought this phone from Sangeeta Mobiles in Bangalore today. So with the card discount of one card, I ended up paying around 28,000 rupees for this Indian retail unit, which is decently good pricing is what I would say. All the other phones which I happen to mention were in the same price range, around 25,000 to 35,000 rupees. This one with 12 GB RAM and 256 GB ROM seemed to hit the sweet spot for me. They also have an 8 GB RAM variant, but this one was costing 3,000 rupees more. I thought since I am buying a new Android, better go ahead with the upgraded RAM version option. So this is what we chose. This is the Mercurial Silver color option. Let's quickly go through it and do our unboxing. I have already removed the plastic coating which came with the box because I had to see the phone at the shop, which they insisted on. In case there were any damages, they would have replaced the box piece. So we had an unboxing of sorts already, but here I am doing it again for you people. So kindly bear with me. So inside the box, we have our usual manuals and everything. This also seems to be coming with a case inside the box itself, which is good. And this is our device, the OnePlus Nord 4. We will have a look at it in just an instant. Let's see what's more. Okay, so we have a power adapter. This is 100 watts, which is nice. Hopefully it will charge the phone fast. And we have a good quality USB-A to USB-C cable. This is our main phone. So it comes with a metallic back, dual camera setup, which we'll explore after the unboxing. I hope you guys can see, but there is already a kind of screen guard or screen protector to protect from minor scratches applied on the screen, which is good. It seems to be a basic one, but that's at least good to begin with. We can think of putting a screen guard later. The power button, volume button on the side, an infrared port at the top, A USB-C port, speaker grill, and the SIM slot tray at the bottom. We also have a silent or ringing slider on the side. We'll explore this as well. It's a good feature to have, just like the iPhones of the old. Let's do a quick boot. This is the first boot of this phone. Okay, let's try setting it up. India. Next. Connect to a mobile network. We'll do this later. Set up using another device. I think I may want to explore this, but we can skip this for now. Connect to Wi-Fi. I'll skip this for now as well. Accept. Skip. I just want to see what's the default Android version out of the box. Default. Let's put everything default. Keep it buttons for now. Oxygen OS. What it says. Get started. Okay, here we are. So I don't have any network settings on this phone right now, but we will soon explore how it looks like. Please, let's quickly go and check the Android version. Kindly pardon me, I am more of an iPhone user. I am trying to operate an Android phone after a long time, but I hope I'll figure it out. So we go to System and Updates, and go to Software Update. So it says Oxygen OS Android 14 right now, so this does not have Android 15 yet. I will connect it to network and see if we have an upgrade already, or it may be on its way. I will keep you posted. Thank you.